Today I'm going to show you how to use some of the right-click functions that are inside of Canvas. So what we're going to do first is maybe drag in an image, and then we can also pop in some PDFs that we might be using. So for this example, these are some governing documents on how I like to have AI help me write blogs. So instead of having to connect all of these individually to a chat, what I can do is highlight all of them and then right click, and I can group these elements. Okay, so now we have all of those PDFs inside of a nice little table. And the other benefit of this is I can bring in a persona or an image, and I can just add that to my group. So once these are added to the group, when I attach it to a chat, the chat will reference anything that it needs in particular inside of this group. So now you aren't having 20 different lines connected to a chat. It's just one nice clean board that you can stay organized and start working on. There's a few other right click functions that you will see. We'll pull these out just by clicking on the arrow, and I'll show you what these are. So if you highlight more than one document or asset on your board, you will get this group elements and this arrange elements that pops up. Okay. Now, if you just highlight one of the assets on the board, you will get a duplicate element, delete, a copy, a focus, a move to cursor, and show entire board. These are pretty self-explanatory, but if you want to duplicate, you can do so by clicking that button, as you can for the other elements or the other options on that dropdown. This is just a quick tutorial to keep you guys organized and working at a high level when you are inside of Canvas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep creating and let us know if you have any other questions. We'd be happy to create some more tutorials about them.